Can you cut wood with an angle grinder? That's a widely popular question, but why do people even do that? Why it's unsafe? Are there any ways to use angle grinder for cutting wood? We will discuss everything in this video. So let's do this. Before we discuss how to cut wood with an angle grinder, we first have to understand what is an angle grinder. An angle grinder is a handheld power tool that features a rotating abrasive disc or wheel. It is commonly used for construction, metalworking and fabrication tasks due to its versatile ability for cutting, grinding, polishing and shaping operations. In my opinion, because of the low budget. Also, the wood cutting blade fit with the angle grinder. That's why some people think why not use an angle grinder for wood cutting. Angle grinders typically operate at very high speeds, often exceeding 10,000 rpm revolutions per minute, which is approximately twice as much as a standard circular saw. This high-speed rotation is well suited for cutting through metal or concrete, but can be excessive for wood. This unwanted speed can cause a rough cut, burn wood and splinter it. Most importantly, it can kick back, which is a significant concern for safety. Compared to metal and concrete, wood cutting blades are more aggressive and apply higher force to the wood. That's why you will get a kickback if your hand deflects slightly. If you insert a regular wood cutting blade, it can cause severe injuries. Don't ever do that. It's a handheld tool designed for heavy-duty tasks and may not provide the level of accuracy and control required for woodworking because it doesn't come with a guide like a circular saw or jigsaw. This tool can generate a significant amount of wood chips, dust and debris, which poses health hazard if not properly managed. Now you are aware of danger of working with an angle grinder, especially for woodworking. Now let's come to our essential question, which is, can you cut wood with an angle grinder? Yes, you can undoubtedly cut wood with an angle grinder. Here are some methods to turn your angle grinder into a less dangerous wood cutting machine. Again, I warn you, if you don't know what you are doing, please buy a regular saw. It's very dangerous. As I mentioned, angle grinders usually work at higher RPM, which is one of the significant safety concerns when using them for woodworking. The SCR voltage controller can slow your angle grinder speed. With this method, you can use your angle grinder for different purposes more efficiently, like sanding, polishing or cutting, because it provides finer control. Some particular types of wood carving discs are available to use with an angle grinder. These discs are less aggressive with widely gapped teeth, which allows cutting through wood with ease. However, precision shouldn't be expected with this method because the cuts are rough. As its name suggests, this accessory can turn your angle grinder into a chainsaw. So technically we can cut wood. It allows you to cut through thick branches or small log. It is perfect for outdoor projects like pruning tree or processing firewood. Please follow the manufacturer's guidelines for safety. Compared to handheld operation, using a circular saw attachment makes the angle grinder a much safer choice woodworking. It also provides much more accurate cutting. However, I still recommend using a blade with fewer teeth. Also, please slow down your angle grinder with a built-in speed controller or use a SCR controller as discussed in method 1. Regardless of the accessory you use, always prioritize safety. Please wear appropriate safety gear including eye and ear protection, gloves and dust masks, especially when working with wood carving disc or chainsaw attachments. Each accessory has its own instructions and guidelines. Always read and understand these instructions thoroughly before use. When using new accessories, take the time to practice on scrap wood to get a feel for how they work. Mastery often comes with patience and practice. Keep your accessories clean and well maintained. Regularly inspect the chain or chainsaw attachment and ensure they are sharp and properly intentioned. Like standard woodworking, always secure your workpiece using clamps or a vise to prevent movement while cutting. Adjust the speed of the angle grinder to match the task at hand. Lower RPM is generally better for wood cutting and carving. There are some positive sides to using an angle grinder for wood cutting, especially when clubbed with a carving disc. You can make some intricate and artistic cut and shape wood seamlessly. Hopefully, I have cleared all of your doubts. Please follow all the instruction and safety precaution carefully. If you still have any question, please comment down below. Wait, before you go, I have a request for you. I'm a new content creator on YouTube, so if you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave your precious comment down below. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. Keep crafting, and I will see you in the next one.